Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bilal from Swiss Edit. I hope you guys are fine. Yesterday I was just wasting my time on internet like a normal human being, and suddenly this image came out of nowhere, and I ignored it like I do with my girlfriend. But when I looked at its price, it blew my mind. Like seriously, $149 for this? Well, there's no doubt this poster is very cool, but those people who have a little bit of know about Photoshop and stuff and are willing to buy this piece of art, well, there's something Photoshop wants to say.
Should I quit my job?
I really like it, but I don't have enough to pay for this, so let's make one in our own way. I mean, why not? So here we are on our Photoshop. First, I want to make the headphone thing. So to start with, I have here this guy. I took the pen tool and masked out only the speaker thing just to get pretty basic shape of it. Something like this. Now let's just place it in the right position. And I don't know why these bumps are disturbing me. There you go. Very nice. Now for the left side, we just have to duplicate this. Oops, we need to flip it. That's good. Now let's make the mic. Again with the pen tool and color fill. Which one is better? This one or this one? This one or this one? That's confusing. Let's adjust all of them in the center. For the head part, I'll do the same thing. Just gonna make it for the one side and gonna duplicate this whole thing. And it works perfectly. Now let's make the jawline. This guy doesn't need to be very thick. I literally named that layer as jaw, and it reminds me of Hobbs and Shaw. Jaw, Shaw, jaw, Shaw. Such a nice rhyming there. Oh, I almost forgot about this bumpy guy. It looks nice. Now, we don't need this whole colory thing, so let's create the outline. 18 pixels seems to be working fine, I guess. Let's delete the intersection, we don't need anymore. And nice, I like it. For making the hairs, I have this guy right here. I'm sorry bro, I'm only gonna need your hairs for my artwork. Let's make the outline of this as well, and we are good to go. For the background, I'm using this brick wallpaper. We need it a whole lot darker. A bit of a light in the center, some shadows on the sides, and it's nice. For the text, I'm gonna type the same words. Now let's give this guy some light. Some shadow as well, a bit smoother. Let's add some nice glow around it. Very nice. Now let's do the same thing with the other one. Perfect. Now let's do the same thing for our main subject. Again, some shadows, some nice glow. Now it is the time for some camera raw filter. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final result. Some people might say I copied the idea from that poster. Well my friends, this video was just to show you how you can make these kind of artworks or posters or whatever you wanna say. That was $150. If you can now make your own one, my friend, you should be proud of yourself. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. I really appreciate that. And if you want more of this content, feel free to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.